TI-89 has the ability to solve systems of simultaneous equations. The best way to explain this, I would say, would be to go straight into an example. So, to get to the equation solver, we go to the custom menu. This can be done by clicking the second button and then clicking on the home button to bring up the custom menu across the top of the screen. We now click on the F3 button, which opens up the solve menu, and click on the solve function. Now I can start entering my equations that I would like to solve. So for example's sake, I'm just going to enter 5x squared plus 3 equals 9 plus z. So 5 times x squared plus 3 equals 9 plus z. Now, to solve multiple functions, we have to let the calculator know where one function ends and another begins. This is done by using the AND command. So to get this command, we go back up to the solve menu, go down to the AND command, and hit enter. I can now enter in my second function that I'd like to solve. So I will enter z minus 3y equals 20. And I have to make sure I put in multiplication signs between my numbers and my variables. And I'll enter a third one in just so you can see how it works. So I'll go back up to my solve menu, hit the AND button again, and I'll enter in 2 divided by xy minus 7 equals 1. So I'll put in 2 divided by the quantity x times y minus 7, and that's all equal to 1. Now I have to let the calculator know what I want to solve for. So I'm going to hit the comma button, and since I want to solve for more than one variable, I need to put in curly brackets. So these are found right above the normal brackets on the keypad. So I click the second function and the left bracket to give me a curly bracket, and I'm going to solve for x, and then you have to put commas between all your variables, comma y, comma z. So I'm going to solve for all three variables. And I will end my curly brackets and put another right normal bracket to end the entire function. So now when I hit enter, it has to think for a little bit. It'll say busy on the right bottom hand corner of the screen. And now it gives me my answer. So it shows me what I typed in on the first line, and on the second line, it gives me my values of x. So x is 2.69, y is 3.35, and z is 30.1. So that is how you solve systems of simultaneous equations on a TI-89.